I've got some breakout trends for you today. Have you heard of something called athflow? If so, you're definitely ahead of me, but apparently it is the new athleisure and it is blowing up. So is something called Dream Pop, which sounds like a tasty summer frozen treat, but it's not. I'll tell you what it is and how you might be able to cash in on that trend. Plus, something an old-timey Gen Xer like me actually is familiar with, neon. The kids these days, they are really getting into it. How? Why? What does this all mean? If you want to be in the know, be sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Hey there, Dave here. Look at me, 2 videos in 2 weeks. I mean, that in itself deserves a like. Do your thing. Thank you. Now that the YouTube formalities are out of the way, today I am tracking what's trending around the web, breaking down those breakout signals, looking for trends before they happen across Google, Twitter, TikTok, Amazon, Pinterest. I thought it'd be fun to dive into a few things that you might not have heard about from time to time, potential trends before they take off, to see if there's a way we can make money from these trends. So whether you're an investor or an entrepreneur or a trend watcher or a trend setter, you've come to the right place. First up, athflow is the new athleisure. We knew there was a reason we all bought so many sweatpants, and it wasn't just to get us through the 10 months of Zoom calls and Grubhub and DoorDash and Uber Eats. And I'm hungry. Is it time to eat yet? Loungewear is trending, and it is getting luxe. Athflow is defined as when athleisure meets elegance, and the new athflow aesthetic is all about comfort, soft fabrics, and loose cuts. Athflow aesthetic, athflow aesthetic, athflow aesthetic. Try saying that fast. Google searches for soft outfit have risen more than 1,500% over the last year. Pinterest searches for oversized outfits have tripled. I think I need to really up my loungewear game. I think it might be a worthwhile investment considering there's no chance that I'm ever going to wear real pants ever again. So do they have athflow for dudes? They do. You think I could pull this off? Athflow items are also soaring at Amazon. Jungle Scout shows that increases over the past 90 days for men's loungewear set is up 1,133%. Rock Dove memory foam slippers up 364%. Those look super comfortable. I'm going to be buying some of those right now. Also, cozy loungewear for women up 338%, and the trend is just starting to take off. So how do you put this trend to work for you? Well, the editors at Trends say that entrepreneurs could target athflow niches, workout clothes, office-friendly athflow, maternity wear, gender-neutral outfits, that sort of thing. You could also delve into the textile side and focus on fabrics. Think organic, sustainable options. Or you could leverage new textile innovations like cottonized hemp and microsilk. Those are apparently things. The athflow aesthetic could also be incorporated into bedding, towels, even personal care. Today's video actually does come with a homework assignment. I want you to try to figure out which publicly traded companies are going to benefit most from these trends. Post your ideas down in the comments. If you happen to have a high conviction idea, share that with me on the Dumb Money Discord group. dumbmoney.tv/Discord gets you in there. And next up, another breakout trend. It's called Dream Pop. I guess I am hungry. Do you remember dreamsicles? That is not a dream pop, but giving credit where credit's due, I did find all of these trends today from a website, appropriately enough, called Trends. It's from The Hustle. They actually sponsored a video of mine last year, and I sort of gave away my secret weapon for finding trends. Anyway, I told them I was planning to make a video based on some of the stuff that they published, just to make sure they were cool with it, and what do you know? They loved the idea and wanted to sponsor this video. So let's make this official with a special offer. Right now, you can get your first 7 days for just $1. Go to trends.co/Dave Hanson for your $1 7-day trial. It's full access to everything they do, the whole community, and I'll tell you, I'm not just a spokesperson, I'm also a huge fan, so check it out. Back to Dream Pop. Remember last year when lo-fi music experienced exponential growth? Well, the next lo-fi is here, and it's called Dream Pop. I think we need some music for this segment. I promise no more dancing on the show. Dream pop is a form of musical escapism described as alternative rock that implements ethereal soundscapes, sonic textures, and soft melodies. The genre was actually developed in the 80s, but it's making a real comeback. It's gaining traction fast. The Cocteau Twins, considered the defining band of the genre, they have more than 1 million listeners a month on Spotify. Just in case YouTube makes me delete that clip, the rest of the music you hear in the background is going to be fully licensed from Production Music Library on an album I found called Dream Pop. Hashtag DreamPop has gathered more than 9 million views on TikTok. The DreamPop subreddit subscribers have ballooned by more than 400% in the last 4 months. So how can you use this data other than just impressing your friends by showing them how tuned in you are or having the hippest playlist on Spotify? Trends suggests that opportunities include incorporating DreamPop into sleep hygiene. Think apps and services and guides. You could curate playlists for listeners to wind down in the evenings. Meditation apps might also offer guided DreamPop options. Entrepreneurs could pair the genre with visual escapes and visual vacations, sort of a high-tech meditation. Or DreamPop merch could be the next big thing to take off. Or DreamPop meets Athflow. I'm gonna have to get right on that. And I'm also gonna have to follow some DreamPop playlists. As we move on to the final trend, another 80s inspired trend making a comeback. The spotlight is on neon. Colorful, moody bedrooms are going to light up 2021. Younger generations are sparking interests in all things neon. We know because Pinterest searches over the past year up 8x for neon room, 3x for LED light room, 3x for LED light sign, and 155% for blue LED lights bedroom. That is a very specific long tail search. There is also an entire subreddit dedicated to the Philips LED color-changing hue light bulbs with 130,000 plus subscribers, and it is experiencing exponential growth. I'd say Reddit in general is experiencing exponential growth. That's where I now turn to get all of my stonk ideas. No, not really. But the money-making angle here, according to Trends, is delving into design or distribution of bulbs, lamps, mirrors, signs, maybe package up and sell a neon bedroom starter kit. I actually get ads all the time on Instagram for custom neon and tube lights. I don't know what I searched for, but they're definitely retargeting me. They say entrepreneurs could also incorporate neon into appliances, laptops, wearables, speakers, cleaning tech, robot vacuums, kettles, coffee machines. Interior decor that complements and accentuates neon lighting is going to be in high demand. The neon aesthetic can also be leveraged for ads, fashion, packaging, product design, even YouTube thumbnails. That is what's trending. We had sort of a retro 80s throwback thing going today, athleisure morphing into athflow, the rediscovery of DreamPop music, and neon everything. I, of course, am going to be sticking with my dark neutral hoodies and sweatpant joggers for now. But do you guys remember those Adidas tracksuits? They made a big comeback, but way back when I was in 5th grade, I think I wore one of those every single day. So clearly I was a trendsetter and didn't even know it. But if you like finding and tracking trends like this, there is a like button that needs your attention. Also subscribe, turn on notifications to catch the next one. I'm going to be trying new things on this channel, so let me know what you think in the comments. I will have more stocks and more business news to come, so subscribe, notifications, likes, comments. I think I've said all the things that YouTube requires so I don't get kicked off of the platform. I really do appreciate all of those likes and comments though. And thanks again to Trends for sponsoring the video today and giving that 7 days for $1. Head to trends.co/Dave Hanson. I am Dave Hanson, and that's the latest from here. I hope to see you back there for the next Hey There, Dave Here video. I really need to work on that sign off, but that's all I've got. I'll see you in the next one.